In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a MySQL database in Hostinger and access it with Phpmyadmin. Whether you're setting up a new website or managing data for an existing project, this process will be crucial for your web development journey. Let's get started. First, head over to Hostinger's website. It's your starting point today. Once there, you'll want to find and click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the page. Logging in is a straightforward process. Just enter your credentials to access your Hostinger account. Upon successfully logging in, you will land on the Hostinger Home dashboard. This is your central hub for managing hosting services. From here, look for the Hosting tab in the menu. Clicking on it will take you to a list of all your hosting plans. Here you have a clear overview of your hosting accounts. Next, select the Manage button next to the specific hosting plan you want to work with. This step is important as it tailors the database setup to the specific website or application you have in mind. Once you click on Manage, you'll be directed to a new page with multiple control options for your project. Now let's focus on the Databases section. You'll find this on your control panel, typically easy to spot as it's key to getting our database setup underway. Clicking on Databases will show you options to either manage or create new databases, essential for storing and organizing your data. From the database menu, the next step is to click on Remote MySQL. This setting is perfect for managing your database from a remote location, making it convenient if you're working from different computers or with a team. After selecting this, you'll see an option to create new database. Click here to start creating your MySQL database. The next interface will provide you with fields to input the name of your new database, along with credentials for a database user. This is where you'll decide on the naming conventions and assign secure passwords, a crucial step for safeguarding your data. Once you've entered all the necessary information, confirm your entries and proceed to create your database and user. And there you have it, a freshly minted MySQL database ready for use. Now that you've got your database, accessing it with Phpmyadmin is simple. Hostinger provides easy links within the databases section to Phpmyadmin, where you can manipulate your data, run SQL queries and manage your tables. And that's it, you've successfully created a MySQL database on Hostinger and are now ready to access it with Phpmyadmin. This powerful combination provides a simple yet powerful way to manage your website's data, setting a firm foundation for your online project. Thank you for watching and happy database managing.